Yeah, I'll be brief. Yeah, my name is David Bortness, and I was senior manager for database and performance at APL, that is American President Mines Americas, who was recently taken over by CMA CGM. Modernization is the topic right now for me and my career. I'm running into it constantly, and a lot of the subject centers around the cloud, and namely AWS as being the forerunner in this. I was surprised, as I think a lot of other students were, at how in-depth AWS is and what it does. It has a lot of bells and whistles that frankly, I've been to a lot of marketing sessions on the part of AWS and some of the companies that they have mixed in with, and I was very skeptical originally. I'm a mainframer, and mainframes generally are not easy, and I do agree now, after most of this course is finished, that mainframes are difficult to get across the cloud line. The curriculum was very good. I used to teach myself, and not teach myself, but teach. It's very thorough, presented in a very step-by-step fashion. I would recommend maybe 5 sessions instead of 4. One thing I did notice was the willingness on the part of Sprintzeal to offer classes at different times. This one was offered during the weekends, 2 weekends, which fit very well with my frenetic life otherwise. So I'm happy with that. Raj is extremely knowledgeable, at where he, AWS is vast. I don't think anybody can learn everything about it. So I like that he enjoined himself with the discovery that we went through. You have to have that kind of attitude with something as big as AWS is. It's very far-reaching. I like also, I've been in other day AWS classes. They're old. I find that as we're going through the curriculum here at Sprintzeal, it's very much up to date. And so I'm looking forward to putting this into practice. Thank you.